microwave oven has been probably one of the most used appliances in kitchens, most now, invention to come up with. It's in every kitchen. It's everywhere. I haven't been in a kitchen without one in years. We brought leftovers, leftover mashed potatoes here. And we're told that this Wonder Box will warm them. When we first came out, we could even cook in them. Everybody remember you had to buy a sauce to make it look cooked, even though it was cooked? Well, when I put leftovers in the microwave, I'll take the bowl out and things look heated. The bowl is warm to the point of being hot. Steam coming off what I've eaten. But when we take a bite out of the middle, it's still cold. Now, I think that's a marvelous invention that would refrigerate part and heat part of whatever you put in it, but they're everywhere. This reminded me of some Christians I have met over the years. On the outside, like the bowl, they seem to be on fire for Christ. But given time, we will learn that they are as cold on the inside as my mashed potatoes. And their passion will not last. Christ speaks of these people in a parable of the sower and the seeds as seen in Matthew 13, verses 5 and 6. Some fell on stony places where they did not have much earth. They immediately sprang up because they had no depth of earth. But when the sun was up, they were scorched. And because they had no root, they withered away. When I take a bowl out of the microwave, I stir it up, let the heat spread throughout. The other option is put it back in, get the bowl that much hotter, and keep the center maybe a little less cold. When we meet these microwave Christians, we need to help them stir the fire that so touched their hearts at one time, but has gotten cold. We need to help them stir that heat throughout those hearts, not just on the outside, where they look warm, where they look all hot up for Christ, but on the inside where it gets cold. Well, I guess I'll go see if I can eat cold mashed potatoes.